I built a system where Claude Code works as a 24/7 software developer for me. Every night from 2 a.m. to 9 a.m., it pulls my repository, reads a task list, writes code for 25 minutes, tests everything for 20 minutes, then pushes to GitHub and goes back to sleep, ready for the next hour. I wake up to committed features. I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up. The whole system is a loop. There are 3 parts: setup, which you do once, the 24/7 automation loop, which runs while you sleep, and outcomes, deployed apps, running agents, commits in your repo every morning. The loop itself is 4 steps. Claude wakes up on a cron schedule, reads your todo.md file, works on the next task, tests it, pushes to GitHub, and sleeps until the next trigger. Let me walk you through the setup step by step. Step 1. Connect Claude Code to your GitHub using the built-in connector, not MCP. In Claude Code, click More options in the top right, then Manage Connectors, then click the GitHub integration button. Sign in with your GitHub account and authorize it. That's it. Claude now has full access to read your branches, clone repos, commit code, and push changes, all without you being involved. This takes about 60 seconds. Step 2. Ask Claude to list all your GitHub repositories. You'll see it fetch everything. I had 46 repos. Pick the one you want to work on. I'm working on a doctor's office SaaS app that I'm converting into a real estate voice agent. It's a voice AI project that lets patients book appointments, and I want to adapt it for real estate agents. Tell Claude which repo to clone and which branch to check out. It does all of this in one shot. No terminal, no git commands needed. Step 3, and this is the most important step. Create a todo.md file in your repository. This is your agent's brain. Every session, Claude reads this file first to understand what to work on. I didn't have one, so I asked Claude to create it. My prompt was, I need to port this doctor's office into a real estate office. I want to sell a voice agent to real estate businesses. You are a senior software architect. Design the whole infrastructure for a real estate voice agent that books appointments and define every task in a todo.md. Claude broke it down into 6 phases with specific actionable tasks. This file is also what Claude updates at the end of every session, so the next run knows exactly where to pick up. Step 4. This is where the magic happens. Tell Claude, we want to set you up as our autonomous AI developer on this repo. Your goal is to pull in the latest code, check the todo.md file, and work on the next task at hand for 25 minutes. After that, spend 20 minutes testing and debugging to make sure everything is working. When you hit 50 minutes, or complete an entire phase of the to-do, update todo.md, push the code to GitHub, so that the next agent session knows what to work on. Schedule this at the top of every hour from 2 a.m. to 9 a.m. Claude sets the whole thing up immediately. You'll see it confirmed as live, and you can see it appear in the schedule panel on the left side of Claude Code. That's up to 7 autonomous developer sessions running every single night. One important thing before you let it run overnight. Claude will ask if you want to do a test run, so it can pre-approve all the tool permissions it needs. Say yes. I usually run Claude with bypass permissions enabled, but for scheduled runs, you need to approve permissions the first time. Things like file writes, terminal access, browser access. Do the test run, approve everything once, and after that, the scheduled agent never needs to ask again. Now here's the bonus that takes this system to the next level. Add a second scheduled agent just for testing. I asked Claude, how can I set up automation so you can open Chrome, open localhost, write a testing plan, use Playwright to test all the features, come up with test cases, and create a schedule to do this automatically? Claude built a complete Playwright test suite. 45 test cases across 11 files, covering front-end, API endpoints, and database operations. Then it scheduled itself to run these tests at 30 minutes past every hour in the same 2 to 9 a.m. window. So while the dev agent is building, the test agent is continuously verifying nothing broke. And this is the final state. 2 agents in the scheduled tasks panel, real estate auto dev, autonomous AE developer pulls the repo, works on todo.md tasks every hour between 2 a.m. and 9 a.m. every day. Real estate test runner runs Playwright tests against the backend, and front end reports failures at 30 minutes past every hour in the same window. Both agents run in parallel. You go to sleep with a feature list and wake up with working code, passing tests, and a repo full of commits. This is what 24/7 Claude Code looks like in practice.